Well, it's that time to tear the transom out. Just finished up all my grinding today on the boat. About time I'm done. Got it all nice and smooth. Or tried to at least. I think it's pretty good though. Got the transom all out, all cleaned up, ready to go. Now I gotta fill all these holes in, because you don't want any screw holes in the back of your boat. I gotta fill all those in. Sanding this back of the transom here, all the gel coat off, was a pain in the ass. That was not fun. Got it all smoothed out there. All nice. I'm keeping this little bit of cord here because it's still good. I cut a little bit out there just to inspect it, and it seemed dry, seemed good, so I'm gonna keep that in there, just add the rest in. Took out this front hook here, I'm just gonna beef it up a little bit. And you got the pieces of the transom over here. The transom was just complete garbage. Look at all that. It was all done in 1/2-inch plywood. It's not even marine plywood either, just regular plywood. Now my plan is I'm gonna put some transom knees in. You can't really go all the way to the top because of the splash well, but from like here down, stiffen it up a lot more. Since it got that 300-pound motor on it, you know, I kind of want to overbuild it rather than underbuild it a bit. But at the same time, I don't want to add more weight than I have to. I'm happy with it so far. A couple of little dings and stuff I need to fix too, like that. Right here, too. I'm gonna rebuild the top of the boat too. I might as well while I'm at it. It's in pretty rough shape. I think that's pretty much it for now. I will be painting the boat too. So I gotta decide if I'm staying the same color or doing something else. Possibly metal flake. Could be an option. Anybody got any color recommendations? Let me know. I want to build this thing to be one of a kind. Well, that's it for now. See ya.